All right, man, so in this video guys, I want to show you guys how we made 100% in 6 weeks of trading guys, and I'm going to show you how we make this to be possible guys. All right, now let's witness the power of consistency. So just take a good look at this account. You'll notice that we make a deposit of $500 in this account, and you can see the withdrawal of $498, and you can see the total profit $514. Now you can see another profit of $522 in this account. Right, let's see today's history, right man. So today this robot has closed a whopping 5.17 cents in this account, which you can see, and let me show you everything. The robot that did this miracle is FxBillprobot, man, which you can see how the history is sweet. And this is how we make a whopping 100% in 6 weeks of trading in a small account guys. So guys, if you have been trading and you have not been making profit, let's check this out and see how we can win together.